Hello everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio. Welcome to my vlog for September. This is going to be a quick one with just some photographs. No project for you to watch, sorry. Here's a picture of my dog Mika. She says hi and welcome to the September vlog. I would like to start out by talking about Art Joy of Sharing, our art community on Facebook, and our live streams that we have every Thursday at 8:30 Central Time over on the Art Joy of Sharing live stream channel. We have challenges in there every month, so you should come and join and play along. This is our pick a stick challenge for the month. It has a couple colors to give you kind of ideas for what you might do with your project, and then it has 6 steps. The rules are that you do the 6 steps in order. You can add something before, in between, after. If you get stuck, there's a couple wild card prompts that you can replace them with or use them if you want to all the way through. And it's a super fun challenge that's just randomly drawn prompts every month. This is our mood board challenge. This is a series of photographs, and you'll see that these colors in this photograph, which was made by me, is very similar to what's in the Pick a Stick challenge colors this month, which was done by Peg. We didn't do them together. We did them completely separate, but yet they really coordinate well. So you might even want to put the mood board with the Pick a Stick and make it all one big thing if you want to. That is perfectly fine. All we are doing is trying to encourage you to do some art. And if these pictures or these prompts are what gets you going and gets you making something and sharing your art in the group, that's great. We also have a hashtag for the month, AJOS Fall Foliage, which you can make art inspired by the fall foliage and flowers and leaves that you see around you, and then post them in the group. And we have an album set up for that. You can put your photos in the album. And of course, use the hashtags. That's an easy way for people to find you if you use our hashtags that we've designed for you for social media. Here are my thank yous. Thank you so much for donating to my channel through my PayPal donation button. Marty, Kimberly, Angela, Dee Santry, Linda, and Arlene for the month of August, which this is, now September. Also, I have Happy Mail, lots of Happy Mail that I've been going through and putting away from Peg, Cindy, Ella, and Lori. Thank you very much for the Happy Mail. Here is some photos of the Happy Mail that I'd like to talk about. Here is Peg's big box that she sent me. There was lots and lots of things in there. Stencils and stamps and stickers and sponges, different types of glue, different types of fibers and fabrics and die cuts and tags and just all kinds of fun stuff in this box. She likes to send Happy Mail fairly frequently of things that she hopes that someone else will use. Here's also a Happy Mail package from Cindy Utter, my friend. These are stencils that she has designed, and if you'd like to purchase any of these stencils, I will put the link to What If NC Etsy shop down below. That's Carla's Etsy shop, and she cuts the stencils. She has a really cool machine, a laser cutting machine that just cuts all the stencils. So there's other people's designs as well as Cindy's. There's all kinds of beautiful stencils in that shop that different people have designed, and I will put that below. Here is my Happy Mail from Ella. Ella had a lot of things that she thought she couldn't use anymore, so she sent me all these canvases and art canvas boards and artist trading cards, all kinds of blanks to use. Lots of them, and also a couple pads of watercolor paper and a lot of stencils that she wasn't using, and even some stamps that she thought she wasn't going to use anymore. So she sent those along for me to try to use. And then this package was from Lori M. And she sent me a lot of gel printed deli papers and lightweight papers, as well as cardstock that had been printed or marbled, and some really cool leaves to use in my own art, because I don't have a lot of leaves here in Arizona. I got a lot of prickly plants. So thank you very much, Lori. I think she sent that last month, but I'm not sure. I just wanted to make sure I thanked everyone as I was putting everything away. This is a picture of some products that I purchased myself, some Japanese rice paper and ink and brushes. I saw this video and I want to try to duplicate this kind of really interesting drawing and writing with this type of product, so I purchased them. I also got these gel pens. I guess they are gel pens to do doodling. Several of my friends have in Art Joy of Sharing a doodle challenge going on, so I needed to have these pens to draw on black and tan. I'm going to try it. It's not so much my thing, but I'm going to give it a try. You can do that too and post it in the group because there's an album for that. Of course, I'll also be doing the Tag It Tuesday challenge and my animal portrait this month, but I don't have a lot of other things going on. So it's going to be a light month, which mostly just means I'm going to do whatever I want, and you'll see. I'll come up with something. I don't know what it's going to be, but there'll, of course, be videos every second or third day of the month, unless I get into one of these blue funks again and I skip a week or something. So thanks very much for listening to me ramble on and looking at my pictures. I hope that you'll join Art Joy of Sharing and come and join us with the different things that's going on in that group. I'll put the link below. Don't forget to answer the questions. And that's it for me. Thanks. Bye-bye.